Good day, everyone. Please welcome Dr. Shalimar Sani Rakiin, the Chief of Hospital of Amay Pakpak Medical Center. Good day po, Dr.
Yes, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.
Yes, Doc. Can you, as an ISO certified and as one recognized as a good standing in Philippine Hospital Association, can you please share to us your good governance with regards to health and your basic services here in the hospital?
Yes, we've been an ISO accredited or certified for the past 8 or 9 years, even before I came in as the new medical center chief in 2018, and it has helped us a lot. And as to the governance, shortly after I took office, we started our journey to the PGS, no, the Performance Governance System, and it has helped us a lot. We had a revisioning in 2019, and we had a brand new vision, no, and that is to have an ideal multi-specialty centers here at APMC. And to mention some, we have the Heart Institute, we have the Lung Institute or Lung Center, the Cancer Center, the Infectious Diseases Center. We also have Ortho, Eye Center, Rehab Center, and more. We have about 10 mandated and 3 others na we decided that we need those 3. I specifically mean the 3 Kidney Center and Cancer Center and Trauma Center. Yun yung tatlo na initiative ng hospital because we feel na kailangan yon ng Lanao del Sur. We have a lot of cancer cases here sa ano. So after we opened it, doon namin nalaman ang dami palang mga cancer patient who are being treated and catered sa mga like Cagayan de Oro, sa Cebu, sa Manila. And now that we have the cancer center here, lahat nandito na, no? They're being referred back. Kung nasa Cagayan ka, sasabihin nila, di ba ang APMC merong cancer center? So they're being referred here. And we are very happy to note na dumadami yung aming mga pasyente who needs specialty, no, centers.
So, any message po for the national government or gusto nyong hingin na tulong po sa kanila?
Yes. So far, the central office, the Department of Health, has been very, very supportive. No, we were recognized as an apex hospital because we are we have implemented some specialty centers. We are also a training hospital and a level 3. Kaya because of that, we were given budget for infrastructure. We were given funding for equipment, no? So we have also we were also given additional human resources, no, para with our expansion na dumami yung pasyente namin. Right now, we are waiting for the Republic Act for the approval of the President of the Philippines, upgrading Amay Pakpak Medical Center from 400 beds to 800 beds. So if a hospital is being upgraded, the central office has really have to support us with additional funding, additional human resources, and then more infrastructure. So right now, in 2023 and 24, we were given a funding for a phase 1 5-story building for a trauma center, and then we also have the ongoing na rin yung phase 1 ng yung the one I mentioned, and also ongoing na rin po yung 7-story specialty center, no, at the back. Makikita doon. So we are on our way to upgrading the hospital, no? As we prepare for the upgrading na I'd like to mention our good first district representative, Dr. Zia, Honorable Zia Adjong, who helped us, no? Siya yung nag-sponsor sa bill upgrading May Pakpak Medical Center into a 800 bed. So nag-aantay lang kami ng the approval of the President.
Yan pa.